2013 Honda Accord EXL. White pearl paint. Luna Sport alloy wheels with good Michelin tires. Tinted windows. Dual chrome tip exhaust. V6. Nice well kept light tan interior. Popping floor mats throughout. Power window locks and mirrors. Family driver's seat. Lane departure warning. Heated front row seats. 390-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Navigation. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights. Just under 114,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us.